The Undertaker has been one of the most dominant superstars in the history of WWE.
Yeah, Michael, and that's because you can't take him at face value. The Deadman possesses incredible...
Launching.
Oh, he paid for that. High risk.
Big hook. Counters on top of counters, and these opponents are at an impasse.
Boom! He's able to dodge out of the way.
Oh, he flips that around. Corey, any insight into what it must feel like stepping up to the OTC, Roman Reigns?
Well, one thing about facing up.
Looking to put him away. Throws up the shoulder.
Already having to expel so much unnecessary energy this early on.
Looking to explore things ringside now. What a reversal by Reigns.
Proof these superstars have done their homework.
Big boot. Taking things to the outside, but got to make sure to heed the official's count. Returning back to the ring. Boom! Boom! What a right! Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable. That kick will stop you in your tracks. Ah, kick! Nasty kick.
What a shot. Talk about dismantling your opponent.
The dominant streak of Reigns getting a bit challenged. And now he gets back into the ring.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, saw it coming and hit him with a shot to the face.
Kick right to the midsection. This ought to be good. What power! Power bomb!
But wait a minute, not done yet?
And Reigns looking to double up on the impact. Samoan drop. Oh, foot, meet face. The Tribal Chief locked and loaded. Superman pump.
He can do it here. Shoulders up before two.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
And he exits the ring.
Better watch the count.
And Reigns got turned around there.
Snap suplex.
I don't know what he's got in mind heading to the floor here.
Undertaker is pinned. This might be over. A defiant kick out after one.
That's smart. Taking the one to catch your breath.
He's heading to the outside. Better watch for the referee's count.
Heading back to the ring.
The head of the table with a thunderous power bomb.
And not done yet. What a Samoan drop.
And some well-timed offense really from the middle rope. Totally missed that one. Boom.
Catches the kick.
Spectacular counter into a dragon screw. Oh, man, he landed rough there.
Slam.
Leg drop across the throat. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Right to the face.
My God. What power.
Tombstone pile driver.
What devastation from the Undertaker.
Oh, my God. Did you see that? Kick out at one.
Very few superstars possess the fortitude to do what we just witnessed.
Very few? How about almost none? This match just went to the next level.
And the Undertaker is in disbelief as to how that was not not the last nail in the coffin. Under any other circumstance, it truly would have been. A great display of confidence, but...
Oh, and that's what you get for disrespecting your opponent.
Closed fist connects.
Oh, man. Oh, right to the side of the face.
Ooh. Oh, kick connects. Shoulders down. Does he have him? Quick count out after one.
Not quite enough to put him away.
Ooh, elbow strike.
Oh, that might have just broken something. Crank in the head. It might just be that time for Roman to rest in peace. Hopped up, no way.
Yes way.
What power. Tombstone from the Undertaker.
May have just vanquished Reigns.
Cover. Not even a 2 count. What unbelievable power.
You gotta be kidding me. What just happened?
I don't know, but I think it just blew the roof off this arena.
And you have to imagine Taker might be gaining some sort of begrudging respect for him after that kick out. But you also know he has a job to do, and things are only going to get uglier now.
Undertaker moves just in time and looking to cause some damage by attacking the skull.
Reigns now losing ground.
The Undertaker cannot be stopped.
Ooh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Choke. Undertaker now to secure the victory.